Big news in politics now. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is reaching the national capital, Delhi. Remember, Uttar Pradesh is an election-bound state, and we're expecting Adityanath to be in Delhi at around 3:30 p.m. And he will be meeting Bharatiya Janata Party's top brass over UP cabinet expansion. Expected to meet the Home Minister, also Party Chief JP Nadda and Prime Minister Modi likely tomorrow. Abhishek Mishra is joining me now live from Lucknow. Abhishek, very important. Is this just about cabinet expansion? It is also about election strategy. What are you picking up on this very significant visit, as it appears, of UP Chief Minister to Delhi?
Well, Pooja, if you look at to this particular visit, which CM Yogi is just about to meet Amit Shah in Delhi, there are various angles to this particular meet. Not only in terms of the cabinet extension, but also as far as the organization is concerned. Because last night only, there was a meeting at 5 KD with Sunil Bansal, the state chief, Swatantra Dev Singh, and of course CM Yogi Adityanath. They were there, and there were a lot of discussion over the selection of the candidates for the district panchayat president post, which is a big challenge for the BJP in Uttar Pradesh after the kind of result which have come in the panchayat elections. That's the one thing. Other thing, it is also very important to give a sense of the work and the preparation for the upcoming elections, if how the organization and the government in coordination is going to work. So that is also another aspect. Certainly, we have seen yesterday only Jitin Prasad joining BJP, and he comes from Uttar Pradesh. So what could be his role, how he's going to be utilized, and what is the lookout as far as the government is concerned? That could also be a possibility of one of the agendas. And yes, as far as cabinet extension is concerned, it is not yet confirmed whether they are into it, because the UP government has already denied the fact that they will not be doing any sort of extension as of now.
Okay.
Because the primary focus of the party and of course of the government is right now on the UP Panchayat president post, which has become a matter for the BJP as of now to gain more numbers.
Yes.
And that is the primary reason the core committee meetings
Very important.
have held in Lucknow.
And remember, yes, in the past few days, the Home Minister has been meeting different individuals associated with Uttar Pradesh. We have just had a Congress Neta come into the BJP. Now UP Chief Minister arriving in Delhi at about 3:30 p.m. Thank you so much, Abhishek.